Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making this beautiful caramel cake here. Caramel buttercream frosting topped with some caramel sauce. These are the ingredients we are using for today's caramel cake. We have 1 cup of soft flour, half cup of room temperature full milk or full cream milk. We have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, 1 cup of white sugar. We have our homemade salted caramel sauces here, 2 room temperature eggs of my ceramic baking bowls or dishes. We have our offset spatula here. We have a whisk, our spatula, then we have our board, which is a chopping board, serrated knife, some parchment paper, and then lastly our stand mixer. These are the ingredients we are using to decorate our caramel cake here. So we have our homemade caramel sauce, our salted caramel sauce, which the recipe is on the channel we've posted just recently. This is my whipped cream frosting. Is on the channel, you can check that out. This is also my perfect American buttercream frosting, and then we have my milk and vanilla syrup here. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. So we'll add in the eggs. Now we'll add in the sugar, and then we'll mix everything together until it doubles in size. Now we are going to add in our caramel here. Others also call it dulce de leche sauce. Now we are going to add in the baking powder and the salt. Then we'll mix everything in, and then we'll pour it here into the wet ingredients. And then we'll mix gently from the slowest or lowest speed to the highest. Now we'll add in the milk, and then we'll mix everything in. Our caramel cake batter is ready. We are going to pour it into our baking dishes here, and then we'll place on some parchment paper underneath. Now we are going to smear some butter inside each of the tins to help the cake release very easily from it. You can also use baking tins and they will work perfectly. I wanted to switch things up and use my dish here today. So I'm fixing it in. Cut off the excesses. I'm going to pour it in. We are dividing it evenly into both baking dishes. And we are going to spread it evenly. These are our dishes filled with the cake batter. We are going to bake them at 160 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes at most. These are our caramel cake layers. So I'm going to remove them from the baking dish and then we place them onto our cooling racks here. So this is the frosting. We are going to add in our caramel sauce here. This is about 3 tablespoons. So we are going to mix it in. This is what we've got. So we are going to add in our cream here bit by bit. Ensuring that it mixes in nicely. We smear some frosting onto the board just to help it stick. Then we place the first cake layer on it. Then we'll add our syrup to it. So I'm going to add our frosting to it. Then we cover with this here. Add the syrup. So we are going to frost the top bits as well. So we are going to decorate the top with some caramel. Then we'll use a toothpick to create these beautiful designs. We're going to let it sit in the fridge for at least an hour and then we cut it. This is our caramel cake. After keeping it in the fridge for 3 hours, we are going to slice into it to see how it looks like. So we are going to lift it and then place on our plate here. Then we'll also lift this from here and then place onto this plate as well. So this is our caramel cake. So this is how it looks like. We are going to cut it. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.